In the last session, we have created our first video in InVideo AI. But the prompt we used was pretty generic, and this is what we call naive prompting. Naive prompting means presenting a general question to AI without providing specific instruction. In our case, if we don't provide any direction, any knowledge, or any external resource to our prompt, it will be pretty generic prompt. And InVideo AI won't be able to produce video that you have in your mind. To create accurate and amazing videos, we have to learn how to write better prompts. But you are lucky that you are in the right place. In this course module, I am excited to unveil a secret resource or a special resource that will dramatically change the video generation process. I have crafted a comprehensive Notion page packed with the best prompts tailored specifically for InVideo AI, ensuring that you have a powerhouse of resources at your fingertips. This is your go-to guide for effortlessly generating compelling videos. Whether you are aiming for a different theme, feel, or topic, all you need to do is tweak the prompts based on your specific need. This resource is designed for you to save your time and enhance your creativity. I will attach the Notion file in the resource section, so make sure to check that out. Now let us see practical example of how to write better prompts in InVideo AI. This is the Notion page that I am going to share in the resource section. So make sure you have a copy of this Notion page. Now let us focus on how to write better prompts in InVideo AI. Let us refer back to our first prompt, which was make a video about Eiffel Tower and Paris. So if we click on this plus button, you will be able to see this edit prompt. And as we can see, the prompt was make a video of Eiffel Tower and Paris. Again, this is what is called naive prompting. We have to write better prompts in order to get better result and desired output. In the Notion file, the first prompt is very good for you to get started with InVideo AI prompt engineering. The first thing we have to describe is make a time video. We have to specify the time duration or time length for our video. As you can see, we have just simply typed make a video of Eiffel Tower and Paris. We didn't select the time frame or how long the video should be. So it has generated around 2 minutes and 54 second video. Next thing we need is a topic. Obviously we select our topic as Eiffel Tower and Paris. Then we have to include the introduction of our video by simply saying make the introduction and then describe our video. Further on, we have to add details of the subject and the structure of our video simply by saying make the video about this subject and structure. Also, we have to define the language, let's say casual, formal, and the overall mood of our video. Let's say you want a sad video or a happening video or a funny video. Then we have to also specify the pacing of the video. You want your video to be fast voiceover or slow voiceover. And the ultimate aim of the video to be entertainment, to educate, or to inspire people. In addition to that, we can pick information from any of the URLs or the links and website. And last but not least, we have to include the rate of our voiceover. Now, we will rewrite our entire previous prompt by taking in consideration of this prompt. So, are you guys ready? Well, let's jump straight into it. Let us clear our previous prompt. And then we will first define our time length. Let's say we want to make 6-minute video. After defining our time length, we need to select our topic as well as our intro. So we will merge both of these with a fast-paced intro of our topic. We will say make a 6-minute video with a fast-paced intro or montage of famous Paris site like Eiffel Tower and etc. etc. We will say with a fast-paced intro, and let's say you want to do a montage of Paris site. We'll say montage of iconic Paris sites like Eiffel Tower. Let's say we want the background music of the introduction to be French music. We will say set to upbeat French music. Now after defining the time length, video topic, and the introduction, we have to write details about our subject and the structure of our video. The main video content should cover the major neighborhoods, attraction, food, culture, and history of Paris, and then we will combine it with the language. Let's say you want the language of the video to be casual and conversation way, while the overall mood, let's say, inspiring and funny. Next we have is the pace of the video and the aim of the video. We will say the pace of the video should be normal or moderate, and the aim of the video is to inspire people about what to expect from Paris and how wonderful place it is. We will say the pacing should be aiming to inspire. Lastly, we can also add any external resource, let's say from any URL or website, and then we have to select our voiceover. We will select our information from paris.fr, which is their official site, and make the voiceover knowledgeable and enthusiastic. We will type peak information from paris.fr and deliver with enthusiastic and knowledgeable voiceover. So that's how you write prompt to generate best and accurate videos that you had in your mind. Again, I know this seems a lot, but trust me, after writing 3-4 times, you will automatically understand why we need to write better prompts to get desired outputs, and then it will be easy for you to write prompt. Now all we need to do after writing this beautiful prompt is to click on generate a video button. Congratulations on generating your second video in InVideo.ai. Now let us preview our video.
Did you know that the Eiffel Tower, the symbol of Paris, was initially planned to be dismantled after 20 years? Quite a startling fact, isn't it? This iron lattice tower, the marvel that adorns the Parisian skyline, was conceived as a temporary structure. Constructed for the 1889 Exposition Universelle, a world fair to celebrate the 100th anniversary of the French Revolution, the Eiffel Tower was meant to demonstrate France's industrial prowess to the world. The unique architecture, the intricate ironwork, the sheer audacity of its height, all were intended to be fleeting. Yet, the Eiffel Tower defied its initial destiny. It survived, not just as a radio transmission tower, but as a symbol, an emblem that resonates with the heart of Paris. Today, the Eiffel Tower stands tall as an iconic symbol of Paris, a testament to the city's resilience and beauty. Its initial impermanence only magnifies its significance today, a true embodiment of the phrase, here to stay. Paris is often compared to New York, London and Tokyo, but does the City of Lights truly hold its own? Let's start with culture. Paris, like New York, is a melting pot, a convergence of cultures from around the globe. Yet Paris maintains a distinct identity, a certain je ne sais.
Much better, right? I can simply just download and upload in my YouTube channel. I won't need to do any modification or changes because the prompt we use was up to point and InVideo AI exactly does that we have written in that prompt. So now let us compare our prompt and our video. The first thing we mentioned was make a 6-minute video, and you can see it has generated exactly 6-minute video. But we have to exclude this 7 second of InVideo AI branding, and it will automatically export at 6 minutes only. Then we wanted a fast-paced intro of montage of iconic Parisian sites like Eiffel Tower, Louvre Museum with a French music. And as you can feel in the background, the music was absolutely French and it was fast-paced introduction containing montage of Parisian sites. So it has done that. The next consideration it has taken is their neighborhoods, attraction, food culture and history of Paris in an informative but entertaining and casual way. So it has taken consideration into the neighborhoods, attraction which is Eiffel Tower and etc. etc. The pace of the video was normal to moderate and it was aiming to inspire viewers to visit Paris. So the main question for you now, have you ever been to Paris? In addition to that, it has also fetched all the information from paris.fr because I have seen the entire video and it includes all of the detail that was listed in this paris.fr URL, and it has delivered the video in enthusiastic and knowledgeable voiceover. That's how you create an engaging and amazing video with InVideo AI by writing better prompts. My main goal of this lecture was to understand you the difference between naive prompting and writing better prompt. As you can see, by writing better prompt like this, we have generated an entire 6-minute video ready to publish and upload to the YouTube. We won't have to do any changes or modification. But Hold on, we will leverage additional features of InVideo AI like Magic Box, which is this box, and then edit media or edit script, as well as export function in our upcoming course. So don't go anywhere, and I will see you in the next one.